I know English, I can understand English, but when I try to speak English before mirror or before people, my mind goes blank. So why it happens, by the way? I can understand when people are talking in English. I go there and listen. I understand very easily. Then I feel like if I start speaking English, then I can also speak fluent in English. But no way. When I try to speak even one word, that doesn't come. My mind goes blank and nothing comes to my mind. That time I face the main problem in my English journey. Like, what to do? I know words, I know sentences, how to make as well. I'm good at grammar. But why am I not able to speak English? What way should I apply so that I can overcome this problem? So guys, this problem, this issue everybody has. So today in this video, we are going to talk how we can eradicate, how we can overcome this fear and this problem, because most of you have this problem. That is why you are watching this video. So keep watching this video till the end. I assure you guys, by the end of this video, you will definitely get an idea to overcome this problem. So I am just initiating this video. Later one girl will come here and she will continue, and I will again come here and end. And if you are new here, hit the subscribe button, because you know, today if you miss this video and later you realize that no, this video was really awesome and really informative, and that time you may not get. So don't miss this video now. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up if you like. Leave your comment, your problems. Comment means your problem, that struggle you are suffering. So without any further delay, let's start guys. So hey everyone, my name is Rudra Dharwa from Fluent, Odisha. So you know why our mind goes blank? One thing just I will tell, because we don't believe in ourselves, and in the beginning of our English journey, we think we are expert. We think and we try to speak like an expert, and we try to speak as good as other people speak this English language. That is why, and that's the reason, and that's where we are not able to speak English, and that's where our mind goes blank. We don't have to think that, just think one thing, that is, yeah, I'm trying English. Even if I make mistake, but I will try. I will keep speaking. Even if I fall down, again I will get off, again I will start speaking. Nothing and nobody can stop you, and if somebody laughs at you, keep that person laughing, because after all, that person is going to be a good friend of yours. So anyway guys, now a girl from our village will come here and tell you how we can eradicate this issue, this problem.
Hello English learner, my name is Priya Behra. We know English, we can understand English, but when it comes to speak, then our mind goes blank. We can understand, but we cannot speak English in front of people, because we think that what we have to say and what we should say, that we think and stop speaking English. We think a lot, and we think that how can we speak perfect English. We are afraid of that mistake of English, and we think a lot that if I make mistake, then I can't speak English very well. And we, from the beginning, we try to speak very best, very good, and we practice only writing and listening English. That's the main problem. We never try to speak English, and if we speak English, then we can enhance our English. We need to speak more, not writing or listening. If we do mistake, then also it's okay, because we are practicing English. That's all.
So guys, so that's what just we have to do. The way and the thing that girl said in the beginning, we don't have to be perfect in English, and you know that you know English grammars, and you are able to understand because you have practiced listening to English, and you are able to write properly as well. But when it comes to speak English, that time you are not, because you have not practiced speaking in English. So do one thing guys, you need to practice more rather than listening and writing. You have practiced all your listening and writing. Now it's time to speak. And I have shown you the ways as well to practice. That is, if you don't have your partners, then speak with yourself. And there are so many English applications on Play Store that you can install and practice. And then also, if you are not able to enhance your English, please comment me, guys. I will personally try to guide you, because there is no any hidden thing that I have hidden so far. Whichever things I have experienced in this English language, and the way I know to teach English, those all things I have told you. And if there is anything left, then please just let me know your problem. I will try my best to help you to overcome this problem. So thank you so much for today. I hope that from today onwards you will start speaking in English. You will start practicing only speaking rather than reading and writing. So thank you so much for today. Have a nice day. Let's meet with an important English video very soon. Thank you very much.